Thank you very much, Suryagni, for joining us with those details. Now, with the mega vaccination scam being unearthed in West Bengal, war of words is now taken off between the BJP and the TMC. In fact, the BJP now demands a probe by the central agency into this fake vaccine drive that's currently underway and was cracked down upon. Let's take a listen at this report.
TMC celebrity MP Mimi Chakrabarti gets a COVID vaccine shot. And within days, a full-fledged vaccination racket has been exposed. Political rumblings from Kolkata to Delhi. Key accused Debanjan Dev impersonating as an IAS officer arrested for organizing fake vaccination camps across Kolkata. Pictures of the key accused with the top TMC netas surface. BJP fires fresh salvo to corner ruling Bengal government over the fake vaccination drive.
पूरा झूठ चल रहा था, उसके पीछे लाखों रुपया का लेन देन था, आज सामने आ गया है। इसलिए हम अधिकार है सीबीआई इंक्वायरी मांगने का, क्योंकि ये सरकार कोई भी घोटाला का खुलासा नहीं करता है, इसको दबाने का प्रयास होगा और टीएमसी के बड़े-बड़े नेता मंत्री इसके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है।
Leader of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari demanded a central probe into the scam.
আমরা বলেছি যে এর একটা ভালো বড় এজেন্সি দিয়ে এর ইনভেস্টিগেশন করা দরকার। শুধুমাত্র কলকাতা পুলিশ হেনাতানাকে দিয়ে ইনভেস্টিগেশন করলে হবে না।
BJP IT cell chief alleges that fraudsters are being patronized by influential members of the ruling TMC. Meanwhile, TMC has denied any links to the mastermind in the vaccination scam.
इसके साथ किसी पार्टी का कोई लेना देना नहीं है। अगर ये सच है तो जो लोग बैंक फ्रॉड करके फॉरेन भाग गया था उसके साथ तो प्रधानमंत्री जी का पिक्चर है। हम वो ऐसा इरेस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं है।
Reportedly, 1,500 people have vaccinated at such camps, but so far, no one has complained of any side effects of the jab.
BJP wants a fair inquiry. They want a CBI inquiry. That is what Shubhendu Adhikari has also claimed for BJP leader. Now, the Trinamool says that the Kolkata police is enough to take on this particular investigation. As per the Kolkata police sources, SIT has been formed that will be headed by the detective department in this particular case. With camera person